Number 11. Give someone a lift. It means to provide someone with a ride in a vehicle.
Can you give me a lift to school? Can you give me a lift to school? She gave him a lift to the airport. She gave him a lift to the airport. They often give each other lifts to work. They often give each other lifts to work.
Number 12. Give someone pleasure. It means to make someone feel happy or satisfied.
Helping others gives him great pleasure. Helping others gives him great pleasure. It gives me pleasure to see you succeed. It gives me pleasure to see you succeed. Cooking for family gives her much pleasure. Cooking for family gives her much pleasure.
Number 13. Give someone a ring. It means to call someone on the telephone.
I'll give you a ring this evening. I'll give you a ring this evening. She gave me a ring to confirm plans. She gave me a ring to confirm plans. Don't forget to give him a ring tomorrow. Don't forget to give him a ring tomorrow.
Number 14. Give someone a warm welcome. It means to greet someone in a friendly and enthusiastic manner.
They gave us a warm welcome at the hotel. They gave us a warm welcome at the hotel. Give your guests a warm welcome. Give your guests a warm welcome. The community gave the new neighbors a warm welcome. The community gave the new neighbors a warm welcome.
Number 15. Give someone your word. It means to promise something to someone.
I give you my word, I'll help you. I give you my word, I'll help you. She gave her word that she'd be there. She gave her word that she'd be there. Can I have your word on that? Can I have your word on that?